Okay, so this is gonna be 1 week after I've done the Rubik's Cube challenge. A little bit over 1 week, but let's go ahead and do it again just to see my progress. I'm trying to get to under 1 minute, I'd say. So let's go ahead and start the timer around 30 seconds and then we'll begin. Just as a little bit of background, I've just been working on F2L and that's about it so far. So let's do this. Okay. The beginning is still really slow for me. So just trying to figure it out. The pieces are good. Oh man, that was messed up. Okay, let's just keep going. Yeah, why do I keep messing up? Wrong place. And yeah, I messed up this part, so let's just do the normal way. What? I don't know why I messed up so much. Okay, oh, I just got distracted. That looks correct. All right, there you go. 2 minutes and 30 seconds, right about. A lot more progress compared to back then, which was like 4 minutes to 5 minute-ish. Still, I had a lot of trouble doing F2L stuff. I thought I was a little bit better than I was. Not really. It is a little hard to recognize. There's a couple of patterns. F2L, I guess just in case you don't know what it is, I feel like most people watching this video would know, but it's, I mean, based on what I understand, it's a method to just solve both layers after you solve the cross, solve both layers at once. And I'm definitely struggling. I feel like sometimes I can see that this piece and this piece are the two pieces I need to work on, but I'm not entirely sure what to do immediately. I know separating them is one step, and then now that we have this here and it's the same color, then we can do that, and I believe, yeah, like that. But I feel like I'm taking extra steps. I think I might need to go back and watch that tutorial because, yeah, I feel like I'm just taking extra steps that are unnecessary. We have this one, which I believe is just like that. Yeah, nice. Yeah, sometimes I can do it decently. Sometimes it takes some more like thinking and feel like I'm taking extra steps, I don't know. No, that doesn't seem right. This has to go somewhere. I'm not even sure anymore. It's the same color, so... like that. My handling has to improve also. But that's F2L. We're still slow, but we're definitely faster than before. This is after right about 1 week. So we'll just keep practicing until we get it faster.